everybody, what's up? I'm Mimi, and today I am bringing you the second part to this going from work to work it girl. It's like a two-parter, I guess, video. I will link the first video down below and somewhere up here so that you can check out my super easy, quick, everyday makeup routine, which is literally this right here. And I will be showing you how to take this very simple look to this. Hey girl, hey! So if you want to see, what little tips and tricks I have for you for when you literally have to go from work to work it girl in okay, that sounds like you're going to go work it inappropriately. That's not what I mean. I just mean if you have a date night or a show, a concert to go to that night, on a random Wednesday night, you have to go from work and then have less than an hour to get ready and get going because traffic gets crazy during rush hour. Then this is the video for you. I hope that you take something from this video, and if you want to see how I got to this from my everyday work makeup, then please continue watching. So because I don't have foundation on and I did apply powder, I'm not going to go on top of it with a liquid foundation. That would be part of my regular sort of glam routine, but this is quick and easy. So I'm going to go in with the Natural Wear Mineral Foundation from Wet n Wild. Just lightly pat that all over. And this is just to go back and mattify the face and sort of start with a blank canvas again. Sometimes I'll go back with concealer, but again, because I use the powder, I don't really like mixing the powder and then adding liquid on top of that. So that's the step that I'm going to skip. Then I'm going to vamp up the eyes just a tad bit, again using the Dominic. I love this palette because it has so many neutral shades, but then you can also vamp it up, and it has a mirror and everything, so it's you can pretty much do everything with just this palette from work to work it. So I'm going to go in with Mocha to intensify and define the eyelid just a little bit more. A great tip if you're trying to do a makeup look very quickly and you're under time pressure is using these double-ended makeup brushes. Of course, choose ones that are, of a little bit better quality. This one is the Luxie 249, and it has sort of a little bit of a fluffy brush and then a tapered, flatter brush that you can really use to blend and then to stamp on color. So these are great because when you're under pressure, I don't really have time or really don't want to look for a lot of brushes or have a lot of brushes in front of me that overwhelm me, and then I'm wanting to do a cut crease fancy as makeup and I only have 10 minutes to do it. So these are great because you dip, you turn, and it's, and you really just need one. So again, go in with Mocha. So another great tip that I have for you is using these little metallic art liners / shadows. A lot of companies have come out with them, a lot of drugstore companies, a lot of higher end companies. Of course, there's the Stila that are super glittery and so pretty. But something like this will obviously do. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art, and it's dual ended, so even if you also want to add some glitter, it's all right here. It has an applicator which makes easy to apply, and you don't have to deal with the shadow and wetting your brush and all of that if you're literally running that short in time. So these are really great when you want to amp up your look in a short amount of time. So I'm going to go in with this one. This one is Peach Prism. As you can see, this literally makes it look like I did a cut crease, and I spent all the time doing it, but I really didn't. So these are great. They apply fast, they dry fast, and yeah, they look really great. So here I have another little dual-ended brush. One's a little bit fluffier. This one I use for highlight, and then this one I use to do my lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with Mocha. I'm going to go in with Hazelnut and then go in with Mocha. Then I'm going to go in with the other side of the little brush and go in with Vanilla Cream to highlight the underbrow. And if I feel like I need to, I will also highlight the inner corner again. The eyes are basically done. If you want to just curl your lashes and add some more mascara, if you have been gifted long, beautiful lashes, so happy for you. I, on the other hand, was not. So even if I tried to, I feel like with a look like this, I need lashes. And to me, I'm used to wearing lashes, so that it's not a long process for me to apply them. So I'm going to just do that very quickly. I'm going to move on to the rest of my face. I'm not going to contour or bake or anything like that. But what I will do is go in with a slightly warmer blush so that I can bring it up and it sort of bronzes slash blushes kind of thing. And it sort of brings a bit more dimension to my face. So this is the Tarte Feisty Amazonian Clay blush. So I'm gonna work that on the apples of my cheeks and then bring it up just a slight bit. Then I'm going to highlight, of course, because we want to be poppin' on a Tuesday. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter, because you literally only need a little bit and you're like freaking glow queen. So I did remove whatever lip product I had left over from my workday. You can just reapply whatever you had, a neutral color, whatever, but just to throw in as a tip and sort of vamp this up a little bit, vamp and amp up a little bit more, I'm gonna go in with a dark lip. So that's something else that you can do, is if you are running short on time, you don't have to do your eyes, so you can pretty much leave your eyes neutral. You can just add lashes and add a little bit more, or add a little bit more mascara, and then adding a red lip, or sort of a darker lip, a colorful lip, something like that, just makes it look like you spent that much more time on your look when maybe you really didn't. So it really makes a difference, obviously, from going to work and then you're working it. It's gonna stick, it's gonna stick. You guys are gonna like it. I love it. I promise. And I know my eyes are already like, hey girl, work it. But with the lip, but you can also just do the lip and it will have the same effect. I just happen to be an overachiever, so I'm gonna do both. So I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Avenue, and this is such a pretty color. And ta-da! There you guys have it. I know, it looks like I spent hours getting ready, and I didn't. And I literally just changed my top into something cuter and added some jewelry. Hair-wise, I mean, I can let this out. So usually if I have braids, then you'll have like, you know, a natural curl after. Or I just kind of like mess it up, you know, so it doesn't look like I'm a school teacher. So let me know in the comments below if you liked this little two-parter video, you know, going from work to work it, girl. Now we're ready to work it on a Tuesday or Thursday, whatever. But yeah, and which one was your favorite little tip and trick, or if you learned anything, or if there's any tips that you want to share down below that you do when you're running late, but you know, turn it around and you literally look so fabulous, because I would love to know them. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like up, as Lala says, if you enjoyed today's video, and what else? Also, please subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video or enjoy any of our other beauty and fitness related videos. That really helps us, and we appreciate it so much, and we welcome you to the Mimi and Lala family. Again, the little notification bell rewards you with notifications of our uploads, so you're welcome. And thank you again so much. We will see you on